back. Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. So like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back to ApeCoin community. I'm getting a lot of good response from the videos, people tapping in, private messaging, DM and whatnot. And we're gonna bust this down a little bit more. And I got some questions asked. Do I see it doing anything in the $20 range anytime soon? Some of the videos, we're gonna erase some of this just so we can. These are all the indicators I use, but this is what we're gonna do right away just to help identify and answer that question. Do I see it hitting the $20 range? And in the last videos, I specified that I did believe that it could do the $20 in the short term. What we're going to have to see is a break out of that right there. Right now, we have a support right here that we need to hold this above this 1220 range. Otherwise, we could see a range down here, okay? These are all realistic ranges. This all-time high, if we can break past this $14.44, that all-time high is going to be tested, and then once we break out from there, you're going to want to see a pattern like so. Once the actual breakout, and this thing can go parabolic. Granted, this is ApeCoin right now, so we got to take that into effect. This thing's brand new. We would want to see that for a continuation, right? That would be that ideal pattern if we could break above this, wherever it is that we might do it. The minute we could break past that $14.44. Mine's is a little bit different because I'm trading at futures on Binance. If you guys want to tap in with me on that, let me know. Tap in on my money bag alerts. You'll learn a lot over there where you can do some things like this where you can make money nonstop daily while you're sitting on your other tokens and sitting on your hands and letting that passive income grow with those reflections. Over here with ApeCoin, you have a chance to trade it on Binance and stuff like that. And I've been taking that opportunity and trading it within a lot smaller channels between this $13 to $14 range, on a shorter chart. But somebody was asking me, long term, do I believe can it hit the $20 range? I'm looking at it on the 4-hour chart. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add some of the indicators that I like to use. We're going to add the parabolic star. It's one of my favorite, right? We're going to add the MFI, the MACD, the volume, and we'll even add the chandelier exit, okay? Just to get you guys warmed up on this. Now, from what I'm seeing right now, we're going to go over these right now. On the 4-hour, we're losing a little bit of momentum because we want the MACD to have hollow candles to let us know that the volume is helping it, that the money is coming in, basically. Another thing to note, over here on the MFI, the money flow index. This is one of my favorite. I've been using these indicators right here. I've been using them since 2017. So this MFI helps you know when it's oversold. That's, right here, this was a perfect time to buy because it was really oversold. And we have to rock all the way back up to eventually, it was basically overbought right there, but not technically. It can go over that line, going to the white into the 100. Notice on the right over here, it goes up to like 92, all the way to 100. It can go up into that range, right? So right now, we still have technically some space to go. If we can break over that 61.8 average, that's a key area right there. That's 61.8. It's a key resistance. That's a Fibonacci sequence. We'll also want to see this candle turn hollow. But note that the chandelier exit, this purple line right here, it kind of snitches on when the trend is going to change. So we still have it on the bottom, which is indicating that technically we're still in a bullish trend. We have the parabolic star on the bottom. Okay, we have a red candle now coming out right here. Also, I like this crypto watch because it has a timer on the bottom, lets you know right away where we're at. This is on a 4-hour chart. So what I like to do is layer this by the times to let me know what's going on. So we're going to come down. Now we're on the 2-hour chart just by pushing down on the arrow, right? We're down on the 1-hour chart, and we start to see where we're having problems, right? We start to see a hollow candle on the 1-hour chart that's red, indicating that that's buying or the sell volume is very high. We want it to be solid when losing. And we have the parabolic star putting a dot or a cross on some indexes across, indicating that we got selling pressure, okay? We keep going down and layering the time. It kind of snitches out which way we're going in the short term. But as long as we can hold on the 4-hour chart where there's a lot of people watching this, above, this is a buying range, all within this $12.15 range. If you believe that it can break past that $14 range, it's going to shoot all the way up to this. Test the $17 range, and most likely FOMO will activate around there and pushing the price back up. That's not to say that FOMO can't activate 10 minutes after I drop this video. That could happen with a coin like this, and it being tied to Bored Ape Yacht Club. That's very huge right there. So I do see it testing this all-time high. Of course, it did go a little bit higher in some other ones, but I'm looking at it on Binance. It's definitely going to go into the $20 range. I could see ApeCoin being $100 for sure. End of this year, no problem. This is it's tied too deep with very important things going on in this space. And they got the right team, they got the right people together, and they already have a huge community. They just adopted other communities when they bought the crypto punks and whatnot like that. So they're definitely going to continue to expand. So if you can do this long term, we're looking very good. To be honest with you, we're looking very, very good. Okay, so if you guys can share this video, load some comments down below if you guys want to see more of these. And we'll keep an eye on ApeCoin when it's gonna go on its way to hitting, $20 or whatnot. But if you guys can't do none of that, at the very least, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.